While grateful for the new facility, this is what one vendor had to say.
The bathroom that's fixing, every maid, you have to fix it again. Because them put in some things inside where the people them don't understand it. See, so when they use it, it's spoiled. So them have to go in a rich people house, not in the market house.
You see the problem we have in Jamaica? When you see the problem we have in Jamaica? Good morning, YouTube people. If you think what him saying correct, comment what you think supposed to be the correct thing. Because what him say, it can't correct. What him just say, it cannot correct. All when people are going to say, boy, are the choke the man attack, leave him alone. This is the brand new market. Me showing a video with the market, you know. Me showing a video with the market. Must say yesterday. And this video come out on TVJ. Big up TVJ for that footage. Because there's no way I could get this. And there's no way I would believe a human being in the world where they have education or you don't have education. Come and report this thing here.